Today we are going to learn the female reproductive system. It consists a pair of ovary, oviduct, uterus, cervix, vagina and external genitalia. It's located in the pelvic region. All these parts along with the mammary gland integrated structurally and functionally support the following process like ovulation, fertilization, pregnancy, childbirth and childcare. Okay student, so these organs are helpful for the process like ovulation, fertilization, pregnancy, childbirth and childcare. Now, let's see the first part of the female reproductive system, that is ovary. We are going to see now. Ovary. The ovary is a elliptical structure 2 to 4 centimeter long. It is covered by germinal epithelium. It encloses ovarian stroma. The stroma consists outer inner part. The outer part is called cortex and the inner part is called medulla. Inside the germinal epithelium, tunica albuginea is there. It is also one more covering children. So, germinal epithelium is outer covering, tunica albuginea, that is the inner covering. The ovary attached to the pelvic wall and the uterus by the ovarian ligament is called mesovarium. What is mesovarium? The ovary remains attached to the pelvic wall and the uterus by ovarian ligament. It is called as mesovarium. Clear children? Next, fallopian tube. Otherwise, we say as a oviduct or uterine tube. Okay, children? The fallopian tube, uterus, vagina, together called as female accessory organs. What are female accessory organs? Female accessory, reproductive accessory organs? Fallopian tube, uterus and vagina. Okay? Yes. The oviduct, it has a proximal part. The proximal part of the fallopian tube bears a funnel-shaped infundibulum. From there, a finger-like projections are there. The finger-like projection is called fimbriae. Children, now I am teaching about fallopian tube. The fallopian tube, it has a funnel-shaped infundibulum. At the edge of the infundibulum, it has a finger-like projection, children. The finger-like projection is called fimbriae. Clear, children? Okay. And that is a wider central portion. It is called ampulla. And the last part of the fallopian tube is isthmus. Okay, children? Children, in the front, infundibulum, in the middle, ampulla, and the last part, that is isthmus. These are the 3 parts in the fallopian tube. Clear, children? Next, uterus. Uterus or womb. It is hollow, thick-walled muscle. It is a hollow, thick-walled muscle. Hollow, thick-walled muscle. And in the center of the uterus, it is a rounded region, superior region, the major portion of the uterus. It is rounded superior region, superior. It is called as fundus. What I want to say, the major portion of the uterus, that is fundus. Next, the uterus, it is covered by 3 membranes: outer, middle and inner. The outer layer, it is called as perimetrium. The middle thick muscular layer is myometrium. The inner glandular layer is endometrium. Children, this is 3-mark question. Once again, the wall of the uterus, it has 3 membrane: outer perimetrium, middle thick muscular myometrium and inner glandular endometrium. Okay, children? Then vagina. Vagina, it is also one of the part in the female reproductive system. Vagina is a large fibromuscular tube extend from the cervix to the exterior. What is vagina? It is extend from the cervix to the exterior. It is the female organ for copulation. It is the female organ of copulation. Vagina are called as external genitalia. The female reproductive structure that lie external to the vagina, that is called external genitalia or vulva. It consists labia majora and labia minora, hymen and clitoris. Once again, the external genitalia or vulva consist 4 parts: labia majora, labia minora, hymen and clitoris. Additionally, there are some glands are there: Bartholin gland and Skene's gland. Okay, children? Next, we are going to learn mammary gland. What are mammary glands? Mammary glands are nothing but they are modified sweat glands. It is present in both the sexes, but it is rudimentary in the male, but it is functional in the female. Okay, children? Clear? The mammary gland is functional in the female alone. And then the mammary gland, it has areola. Inside the areola, lobe is there. The lobe is made up of lobules. The lobules consist, children, lobe. It consists lobe. Inside the lobe, lobules are there. These lobules contain acini or alveoli. Okay. Now, the cells of the alveoli secrete milk. Which one secrete milk? The cells of the alveoli secrete milk. Clear? Now the alveoli open into the mammary tubule. Further it joined to form a mammary duct. The mammary duct joined to form a mammary ampulla, which is connected to the lactiferous duct. These are all well clear in the picture. Okay, children? The lactiferous sinus, which serve as a reservoir of milk. In the one word it may come as does it act as a reservoir of milk. What is the answer? Lactiferous sinus, which serve as a reservoir of milk. Clear, children? Okay, next we are going to see gametogenesis. You know, children, gametogenesis means the formation of gamete is called gametogenesis. Now, what are gametes? Sperm and ovum are gametes. Now, one by one we can see. First, spermatogenesis, then oogenesis. First, we see about spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means the formation of sperm. That is spermatogenesis. What is oogenesis? The formation of ovum. That is called oogenesis. Both spermatogenesis, oogenesis together called as gametogenesis. Clear, children? Now, first we can learn spermatogenesis. It's a sequence of events in the seminiferous tubule of the testes, children. During the development, the primordial germ cell. What is primordial germ cell? It's a first cell. The cell in the testes migrate in the testes and become immature germ cell called sperm mother cell or spermatogonia. Once again I am saying, during the development, the primordial germ cell, moola cell, in Tamil, moola cell, the primordial germ cell migrate into the testes. Where is the testes? The testes is inside the scrotum. Okay? Where inside the testes it become immature germ cell or sperm mother cell. Okay? The primordial germ cell changed into sperm mother cell or spermatogonia. Clear, children? In the inner surface of the seminiferous tubule. Okay? Now, the sperm mother cell or spermatogonia changed into primary spermatocyte by mitotic division. Okay, children? The primary spermatocyte, it is diploid in nature. It means it consists 46 chromosomes. Okay? Then the primary spermatocyte converted into or changed into secondary spermatocyte by first meiotic division. Now, the secondary spermatocyte changed into spermatid by second meiotic division. Now, the spermatid, it is non-functional spermatozoa. Now, the non-functional spermatozoa converted into active sperm or functional sperm by the process is called spermiogenesis. The sperm is finally released into the cavity of the seminiferous tubule by the process is called spermiation. Okay, children, once again I want to say spermatogonia changed into primary spermatocyte, then primary spermatocyte changed into secondary spermatocyte, and secondary spermatocyte changed into spermatid. There are 4 spermatid haploid spermatids are formed. That spermatids later converted into functional sperm by the process called spermiogenesis. For this, gonadotrophic releasing hormone from the hypothalamus and follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormones stimulate the growth, and androgen binding protein from Sertoli cells all together helps in the process of spermatogenesis. Okay, children, it's clear, children? The entire process, the whole process of spermatogenesis takes place 64 days. That's all about spermatogenesis. Next, we are going to see the structure of human spermatozoon or sperm. The sperm is a microscopic, flagellated, motile gamete. It is divided into head, neck, and tail. It consists 3 parts. The sperm, the whole body of the sperm is covered by plasma membrane. Let's see the head of the sperm. The head of the sperm consists acrosome and nucleus. Acrosome and nucleus. Acrosome. The acrosome, it's a cap-like pointed structure. It is present in the tip of the nucleus in the head region. It is derived from the Golgi body of the spermatid. It is derived, one word question, it is derived from the Golgi body of the spermatid. And also, one word question, one word question, the acrosome consists hyaluronidase enzyme. Hyaluronidase enzyme. This enzyme, it's a proteolytic enzyme. Okay, it's a sperm lysine enzyme which helps to penetrate the ovum during fertilization. Next, neck region. So the neck region is a small one, very short, present between the head and middle piece, children. Okay, the middle piece consists proximal centriole and distal centriole. Okay, in between the proximal and distal centriole, mitochondrial spiral or nibuncon is present. Mitochondrial spiral or nibuncon. The nibuncon is present in the middle piece. This helps energy. This produces energy in the form of ATP. Further, the ATP helps for the movement of sperm, children. Next, after the middle piece, tail is there. It is tail. It is the longest part of the sperm. It is taper at the end. It is taper at the end. And in the center of the tail, axial filament or axoneme is present. Axoneme is present. Okay, children, the human male ejaculate about 200 to 300 million sperms during coitus. Okay, and 60% of the sperm shape of the sperm and 40% must show the vigorous motility for the normal fertility children. Okay, it's clear, children? That's all about structure of sperm, children. Next, we are going to see oogenesis.